Social engineering is the art of extorting employees for the information that can assist a hacker as he or she breaches the security of an organization. Social engineering can take the form of human-based or digital, both of which are effective in achieving the goal.
That's right.
Now, we often try to maximize our security software and hardware, but really we tend to forget the human aspect.
That's true.
Many employees in a company are simply unaware of what's going on.
Yeah, and who might be vulnerable to social engineering? Well, who isn't, really? The short answer is that anyone
That's
is
right.
vulnerable. Social engineers target the trust that employees have in their colleagues and friends, and that's something I think we all try to have, right? So
Sure.
it's easy to assume that. A social engineer might approach the victim and build a relationship in order to get the information he or she needs. Now, employees are unaware of the risk of social engineering, and they would definitely fall victim, especially as a lot of people are completely unaware, like you said, Ammon, of the existence of social engineering, even as a thing.
That's right. Now, really, other people know about it, but a hacker might promise them with some kind of benefit if they reveal the information the hacker wants. He calls and he's like, "Oh, I got this. You can get this free trip or whatever." Social engineering is mostly based on the failure of educating your employees and training them to be smart about protecting and sharing information.